Hi, it's Alicia Rucker with Covenant Realtors, and I'm here showing 407 Barrow Lane. I've been seeing lots of people from out of town taking a look at it, and I thought you'd like to see a virtual tour of this elegant home here in Wright's Farm, just minutes away from Fort Eisenhower. It's really sunny out here, but let's go in and take a look. Okay, like I said, here we are at 407 Barrow Lane, Grovetown, Georgia, just minutes away from Fort Eisenhower and Wright's Farm. This is a wonderful neighborhood. You got to come and check it out. They actually have a real farm that they are partnering with the school here. So cute patio, walking in, can you see yourself with morning coffee? Cute chair and table right there would be fantastic. We're going into the screen porch and into the front door. Here the alarm is going off. You walk into this beautiful area. Thank God it's nice and cool in here. Stairs going upstairs right here. To your left here, you have a whole suite over here that could be for in-laws. I had one couple say they were thinking about just renting that space out. You walk into the wonderful fireplace, elegant kitchen. Really, you can do farmhouse chic with that. Love the lighting. That's one of my favorite upgrades here. You've got the large farmhouse sink right here, the grill right here so you don't get it scratched up. Dining room, fantastic lighting here. Another one of my favorite things about this home. Everything has been painted. You're gonna get your appliances without any worries here. You've got your cooktop range, your built-in stove, and their Whirlpool. If anyone's wondering, no Frigidaire. Alarm system. It's going to be very easy just to get everything transferred over to your name. Great backsplash here. As you can see, you've got your white subway tile in the cute designs. They've added in the splash guard. If you've ever gotten frustrated with trying to clean the back of your stove after cooking, you won't be cleaning the tile, you'll just be cleaning that. We'll come back to this great porch. No, let's go ahead and, we'll come back to it in a moment. The porch that sits right out there. Let's go to everyone's favorite thing, and that is the owner suite. Look at that gorgeous lighting. It just really stands out. Oh, I should have pointed out the kitchen lighting as well. Can you see that there? Sorry, the living room lighting here. Look at that. That's beautiful. It's just one of the favorite upgrades this owner has done here. And right off here, over here, you see you've got the laundry room. Washer and dryers are included. They're the LG Smart washer and dryers, front load. And that's right off from your owner's suite. You don't have to go far taking the clothes. Look at those ceilings. Gorgeous. It really makes a statement. Can you see your furniture in here? Let's go to the spa-like owner suite bathroom here. Very open, very clean, great tiled floors, bathtub, and look again. Just gorgeous. I love what she did with the lighting here too. Complete tiled shower. Very easy. Here, walk in. Got your wet room here, the toilet. Lots of sunlight. Have you all noticed that? Lots of windows, lots of natural light everywhere. You've got plenty of storage space. This is your owner's suite, closet, bathroom closet here, your linen closet. Then you walk into your walk-in closet here. I'm loving it. If you have any questions, just feel free to let me know. Send something in the chat, in the DM if you're trying to understand something I missed. Look at those high floorboards. I love it when they're over 2 inches. Those are 3 inches thick there. The home has been barely lived in, even though she also went ahead and did an update with the painting. And right over here, you've got off over here to the garage. You have your little nook to sit your things in if you have the kids coming in from the garage. I love that. Put your shoes, your backpacks, then you have additional closet here to store away your winter coats or whatever you need. And they're right side by side, so everything doesn't have to be showing and out. Then you have plenty of space with the garage here. You've got that indoor main switch shut off, so you're not going outside when you need to shut off the water. I'm sorry. I think about silly things like that. You've got the garage door opener. You've already got some built-ins there for the extra storage. She's also left extra paint for you, which is fantastic. And of course, like we said, we've got the automatic garage with the alarm system. The sprinkler systems are already here, built in as well. What I love about being here is that you have Augusta disposal. Again, this is a Columbia County Schools, Grovetown. Really, you can go to any of them. Again, more space. This is where I would put like all my brooms, everything right here. Just lots and lots of storage space for the big family or for the ones that just have a lot of things like me. Okay, so now we're in the first guest room down here. Look at that lighting there. Gorgeous. I love it. And we've got the flooring all the way through, the luxury vinyl flooring. It runs throughout the whole home, except for when you get to the bathrooms. Then you get the tile, which is really nice. She's also left some vents here if anybody knows like the pain of finding the right vents for your AC unit. So let's go in here to this first guest bathroom. And you can see it's really nice if someone can be in here taking a bath or a shower while someone's out here using the sink or the toilet. So I really do like that a lot. Now, let's go upstairs. I love the stairs. They're actually real wood and stained. Nice handrail. Great rooms, great space. You've got another bathroom here with the double sinks. I don't know if you'll have children, but you know, the whole sharing of sinks can be a pain in the mornings, and yet you can still close the water room off. And look at these windows, even in here. Like, if you want light, you want openness, this is the home for you. This is the home for you. So let's go off to this bedroom here. It could be a bedroom, it could be an office. Ceiling fans are here with the remote controls. Great lighting again. Walk-in closet and your secondary rooms. Like I said, send me a chat if I missed anything. If you want to know more, you have questions about something, you wanted me to test something for you, or you just want your own private showing, just let me know. So we're in the next guest room. More closet space. Look at this. Just great closet space here. And then you even have, if you're talking about space, let's talk about the attic space even, that you can easily put the Christmas clothes and the Christmas tree, and the Christmas items, because it is partially finished. Got great insulation here as well. She's been servicing this AC unit continuously, so that's on insurance, like a home warranty. Warranty. So you have that. Let's go into another room. Look at this. More light, just so much natural light. Again, the ceiling fans with the remote control in every room. No one has to be hot. Which on this hot day in April, well, March, goodness, we're almost in the 90s. So then here, and I'm always like, is this a room? And I realize it's not a room. This is more linen closet space for the upstairs. So all your blankets, your pillows, everything can go in here. So, and again, we have the carpet upstairs for the bedrooms, so you can have that cozy feel. Now this one right here, I would suggest that we do your TV room, your flex room here. I know the owner had this as her gym up here, but I love the little nooks. Can you see a little reading nook or a poker or game table here? And then you've got your screen over there, over here, so it can be at the right angle. Sofa, sectional, just lots of space, so many things you can do, so many things with. Bring your own designs here, bring your ideas here. I may even do a competition about designs and things like that. Like, how would you all design this room? So back out into the upstairs hallway. Again, we saw the ceiling fan again, right? And we're gonna go to our next bathroom here. This is the single sink, so it can be just with these rooms on this end of the house. Again, you have an additional linen closet, storage galore. You got your tile upstairs. I love the little designs in the ceiling, little architectural designs. So, oh, I almost forgot to take you guys outside. I promised that we would go outside and see more lighting down this hall. We're gonna go outside and hit the, take a look at, let me make it down these stairs gently. But we're gonna go outside and take a look at this enclosed patio and this huge backyard, as I promised. And what I love is that we can actually just leave this open if we wanted to. She does have the doors up here. Now look at this space. What would you do out here? Can you see yourself sitting out here lounging, morning, afternoon, whenever? See all this great yard space? You hear how quiet it is? It's always pretty much this quiet. You have access back there to the fence, to the back, and I love, so here in Wright's Farm, everyone must have their fence painted and stained this color. So I love that. And if you look here, so she recently painted the whole outside of the house. So you're going to have that last you for a good 10, 15 years with the whole outside being painted. You won't have to worry about that for such a long time. So let's go back in as we would and get back to the kitchen. Okay, well, that's all we have here at 407 Barrow Lane. I'm just taking a little break in the kitchen. Like I said, it's so warm out here. You can come take a break in this kitchen as well if you love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Hit a heart if you love this, if you like to see more of this. And we're going to talk about next time how you can afford this. I don't know if I mentioned, I know it's online. You can assume this mortgage at 2.25%. What does that do for you? That means if you only qualify for a $400,000 home, now you can qualify for even more at the lower interest rate. Interest rates make a difference. So tune in next time and we're going to talk about that, how to afford more. Let's also talk about how, if you're a veteran, you can afford this, and how you can get this home no matter what your credit scores are. I have programs like that as well. So let's talk about all these things. Until then, I'll see you later.